In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your WordPress media library using two easy methods. For those of you managing a WordPress site, keeping your media library organized and clutter-free is essential. Over time, images, videos, and other media files can accumulate, and removing unnecessary files not only saves server space but also optimizes your website's performance. So let's get started with a step-by-step guide to make this process simple and efficient. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. You'll need to log into your account to access your site's dashboard and manage the media library. If you aren't already logged in, you should see a login button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it to proceed. Once you're on the login page, you'll notice several options for logging in. For this method, let's choose the Continue with Google option, which allows you to use your existing Google account credentials for a quick and secure login. Click on Continue with Google, and then you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. Select the appropriate account linked to your WordPress site. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your site. From here, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and find the Media section. Clicking on Media will take you directly to your media library, where all of your uploaded files, such as images and videos, are stored. Now that you're in the media library, you can begin the cleanup process. Browse through your media files and highlight the ones you wish to delete. You can do this by clicking on each file individually. If there are multiple files you want to remove, hold down the Control key on your keyboard or Command key on a Mac while clicking to select several files at once. Once you have selected the media files you no longer need, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the Bulk Action drop-down menu. Click on this menu and a list of possible actions will appear. From this list, select Delete Permanently. It's crucial to ensure that the files you've selected are the correct ones, as this action, as the name suggests, will permanently delete them from your library. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully cleaned up your WordPress media library. By maintaining an organized media library, you're contributing to a more streamlined and faster performing website. Remember, regular housekeeping of your media files can prevent clutter and help keep your website in top shape. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you next time.